at
Very
that.
lucky. Watch this.
Ibang level na.
Alright mga kapuso, naku, ilang segundo na lang makikita na natin ang dalawang Davids, David Archuleta at David Cook na talaga matagal na natin hinihintay. First time lang magko-concert together at dito pa sa Pilipinas magaganap. Nag-umpisa nandiyan na si DJ Mo Twister, si Mo ang mag-host itong event na to, kaya come and join us! Tinitilian kahit saan. Mukhang tumama na sa Pinas ang American Idol fever na dala ni na David Cook at ng runner-up na si David Archuleta. Habang unti-unting lumalapit ang oras para sa pinakahihintay na concert ng taon, lalo namang nasasabik ang kanilang mga tagahanga. Kaya naman kahit hectic ang schedule ng dalawa, naglaan ng oras sina Jo Marie Iliana at kanyang co-producer para sa isang press con. At syempre hindi nagpahuli ang unang hirit para makausap ang dalawang idol.
The question is, sort of like fill in the blanks. When it comes to blank, I'm the better David. When it comes to blank, he's the better David.
Oh, when it comes to age, I'm the better David. When it comes to Guitar Hero, he's the better David. As far as being cool, you're the better David.
I feel like that.
You think he's the better David when it comes to being cool?
Yeah.
Wow, what do you think of that?
He's just being nice. I think it's obvious that who's the cooler David. Especially me, it's like fumbling and stumbling. And
So when it comes
I'm
to
good
blank,
at that.
you're the
I'm a
better.
lot better at that. I'm a lot better at fumbling and stumbling over myself. That's for sure.
Naku mga kapuso, tingnan na lang natin kung paano magpapatalbugan ng dalawang ito sa pagkanta. At sa kanilang galing, tiyak na lalo sila mapapamahal sa puso ng kanilang mga tagahangang Pinoy.